Example 8. Example 8. Determine the ratio of buckling strength of two columns of circular cross section, one hollow and the other solid. Okay, so we have to find PCR. So one is hollow, okay, and the other one is solid. Okay, we have to find this ratio. Okay, this is asked to find. So what is the data given? Here both are made up of same material. Okay, so what we'll do, we will write what is the formula. PCR is equal to pi square EI by LE square. Okay, this is for hollow and PCR for solid. Okay, this is for solid. So we have to check when both are made up of same material, that means E and E is cancelled. Okay, they have same lengths, this and of course this is cancelled because they also have same end conditions, it is given. Okay, same cross sectional area, here cross sectional area is not there, so area of hollow is equal to area of solid, right? So if I substitute pi by 4 d minus d square formula and pi by 4 ds square. I am considering ds as a diameter for solid section. Okay, this is a diameter, and for hollow it is capital D and small d. Okay, so this is there, so this and this gets cancelled, right? So what we have is d square minus d square is equal to ds square. Okay, this is the equation we have, and end conditions are same, so LE gets cancelled. The internal diameter of the hollow column is half of its external diameter, so here given is d is equal to 0.5 times capital small d is equal to 0.5 times capital D. Okay, this is given here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to substitute this here in this. So d square is equal to 0.5 times capital D, which is equal to ds square. So let me calculate this. 0.75 times d square is equal to ds square. So if I want to write ds, it will be root of 0.75 times d square. So root of the answer we have got is 0.866 times d, isn't it? ds is equal to 0.866 times d is the equation we are going to use later. So this is done. Now whatever we have here we are going to use. So pi square also gets cancelled. So what we have, I for hollow is equal to I for solid. So let us substitute this. I is pi by 64 d raised to 4 minus d raised to 4 is equal to pi by 64 ds raised to 4, isn't it? So now pi by 64 gets cancelled. So what is d and d raised to 4? Let us substitute that. D raised to 4 minus 0.5 times d raised to 4 is equal to ds is how much? 0.866 times d raised to 4. Correct? So this is also substituted. Now let us simplify this equation. So how we are going to solve? 0.9375 d raised to 4. Please use your calculator properly. This is 0.866 raised to the power 4. So this value is 0.5624 d raised to 4, isn't it? D raised to 4 cancel. What is the ratio? It is ratio of PCR hollow divided by PCR solid is equal to 0.9375 divided by 0.5624. Okay, so this is equal to 0.9375 divided by 0.5624 is equal to 1.667. This is the buckling ratio. This is the final answer.